Hey credit cousins, so let's get straight to it. Why is PSECU requesting POI, proof of income documents, just to get a decision on a credit card, right? Many want to know, did they do something wrong with their credit card application? Let's get into this and find out why and how to handle this matter after this lovely intro. Now, this is something new I've seen from a credit union, and it's happening with PSECU. So when I first posted my first video here about PSECU, Pennsylvania State Employee Credit Union, it was fairly new around the internet about this credit union, and they were not asking for proof of income, pay stubs, or tax returns for about 2 to 3 weeks after posting that video. However, in a matter of like the last 2 weeks, something has drastically happened, and many are very upset about it. So now PSECU have been randomly selecting members to upload or send proof of income such as pay stubs or last 2 W-2s to be eligible to get approved for a credit card. However, it's not listed on the credit card application when applying, so it has caught a lot of people by surprise when they are requesting this information. So let's talk about some of the triggers PSECU may request this information and why. So combined income can trigger this request if you are married and you are putting you and your spouse's income on credit card application. This could be a reason. High income with high debt. So let's say you're making about $130K a year, but your overall credit profile debt is over 70% utilization. For example, this could be a red flag, so they may request to make sure you make that right amount of income that you inputted on your credit application during applying. No income reported on your credit card application. So if you simply didn't just put an income amount on your application, this could be a reason why they're requesting proof of income, because you didn't put it on your application. If you want to avoid any mishaps after applying for your credit card but then getting a credit card under review message, you can apply for a credit card and simply message them through your secure message app portal and upload your last 2 tax returns or pay stubs there, and then give them a call and let them know that you applied for a credit card and you would like a decision to be made or reconsidered if you have been denied and just haven't let you know. Just basically tell them I have uploaded my tax returns to my message portal for your reference, or where can I send them to? Maybe they'll give you a loan officer email where you can send that, or some type of email where you can send it, or tell you to upload it in the portal. Have your W-2s or current stubs available for verification if they do request it. Some have mentioned that they have been approved for a credit card without them requesting any additional information, and then within 2 to 3 days they have locked their account because they are asking for more proof, which is proof of income. So I will get into that with another video, so make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and make sure you turn that push notification bell on so that you can be notified, because I will talk about this particular matter in the next video. Now, if you apply for any personal lines of credit products with them, they may just use the information from the application, because you may just need to let them know that you already uploaded your pay stubs or W-2s when you were doing the personal line of credit application, and it should be okay for them to make a decision on your credit needs because that stuff was already on file. Another reason why they may be requesting proof of income is due to the boatload of applications coming in, and they may have been flagged for fraud. So the credit union has taken matters in their own hands and added an extra layer of security like this. You must remember that this credit union is not as big as a credit union like Navy Federal. This credit union only has 4 branches, where Navy Federal has over 250 branches. So the volume of applications can be overwhelming, and taking this protocol for a credit union isn't ideal, but for this credit union it could be, because when applying for a credit card, it's very understandable when you're a credit union with only 4 branches, and you're getting thousands of applications each day. you know, you want to take those protocols to make sure that everybody is getting the best benefit out of it. However, once your proof of income is verified and then a decision is made on that credit card, so Even though it's an extra step to do, it is recommended if you don't have any of these available. You may still want to join PSECU, but hold off on applying for any other credit products, because who's to say when they'll remove the backdoor option where you pay $10 to join their credit union. So I think joining the credit union is still good, even though it could be a hard entry for joining. If you feel like you don't have your tax returns in order, you don't feel like you're making income right now, it never hurts to try. But if you are denied, I would still keep that membership open, because you never know when you'll need it, and you never know when that backdoor option will go away, and you're in there now. You're once a member, always a member, right? So what I recommend is just still joining that credit union and just wait it out for the credit products if you feel unsure about your proof of income. Ultimately, it's your decision, and I know many of you are concerned about the situation. After looking more into it, this is what I came up with as to why things started to take a shift with PSECU. So I'm keeping a very close eye on this credit union and making sure I keep you guys updated, because I really do like this credit union. I just think that some things have changed over the past week or so, but it's still a great credit union. A lot of my credit cousins have recently became a member and got over 50K in credit cards and lines of credit, and it's so much amazing. So I'm here to just keep you guys informed about what's going on. I'm just not going to share the good, I'm also going to share the bad about it too. So I just want to make sure that you guys aren't caught by surprise if stuff happens like this, okay? So I hope this video helps give you a better insight about the proof of income request when applying for a credit card. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and find that link in the description box and pinned comments of this group to join the private group Credit Cousins to learn credit tips and tricks like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, in collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.